Hello, everybody. Thanks for coming. I am the Lorax. I speak for the trees. And I'd like to say a few words, if you please, regarding the story that you're about to see. It actually happened. Just take it from me. But there's more to this story than what's on the page. So please pay attention while I set the stage.
Twink, twink, twinkle, twinkle, lovely little star.
Twink, twink, twinkle, twinkle, stupid little star.
If there's one upon your tummy, that's just yummy, you're my chummy. If there isn't, you're a crummy, slummy, gummy, bummy, dummy. That applies likewise to Daddy and your mommy. Twink, twink, twinkle, twinkle, lovely little star.
Twink, twink, twinkle, twinkle, stupid little star.
Welcome to Dr. Seuss Land. I'm Cat in the Hat. This is thing 1. We're looking for thing 2. We don't know what to do.
I'm not from here. I'm from Gladstone. I need to get home.
Grinch is terrorizing Dr. Seuss Land. We can help you get back if you help us find thing 2.
Flashback. End of flashback.
Sounds like a plan.
Sydney Lou Who, what's wrong with you? Why are you so blue?
That mean old Grinch stole my present.
Come with us, Cindy Lou Who. We're searching for thing 2.
Can you find my presents too?
Do not frown upside down. Come with us. We'll track him down.
I am Sam. Sam I am. Would you like some green eggs and ham?
Sam I am. What happened to your green eggs and ham?
I offered my ham to a very green man. He smacked it out of my hand and said kablam!
Sam I am. Come with us. We have a plan to track down that very green man.
What happened then? Well, in Whoville, they say that the Grinch's small heart grew 3 sizes that day. And then...
I finally realized the true meaning of homecoming, coming together as a community. Wakey, wakey!
Ah! It's real!
It's homecoming!
Twink, twink, twinkle, twinkle, stupid little star.